how to create a watermark in Canva like this. This is a simple and free way to protect your images. So, let's dive right in. First, open up your Canva app. I'll be showing you this on my PC, but you can follow along on your phone too. Let's start by creating a new design. You can choose the size based on your specific needs. For this tutorial, I'll use a standard Instagram post size. Now, I have this adorable image of a puppy that I want to watermark. I'll just drag and drop it into our design. To add a watermark, you can use text or your own logo. I'll show you how to do both. Let's start with the logo. I already have my logo uploaded here. I'll drag it into our design. Now, you can position the watermark however you like. I'll rotate mine a bit, duplicate it, and then align them neatly across the image. Once all the logos are in place, we need to select them all at once. If you're on a computer, hold down the Shift key and click on each logo. On your phone, use the multiple selection option. With all the logos selected, tap on the transparency icon and decrease the opacity. This gives us a subtle, yet effective watermark. Don't forget to group the logos together once you're done. See, we have a beautifully watermarked image. Now, let's do the same thing with text. Select the text tool. Type in your watermark text. Just like with the logo, you can decrease the opacity to blend it with the image and adjust the size. You can either use multiple text elements like we did with the logos or a single large text watermark. Here's our final image with the text watermark. It looks great, doesn't it? And that's how you can create a watermark in Canva to protect your images. Thanks for watching.